You know what this needs? Some super cute and colorful Halloween decor. Yep, exactly. Let me show you how to make some easy DIY Halloween decor with just a few of my favorite work pro tools. Let's start with these wooden pumpkins. I started by using my jigsaw to cut out the shape of a few wooden pumpkins out of some scrap plywood. I made them different sizes and shapes to give it a little bit of character. Next, I sanded the edges to make them smooth. Then I attached the stand portion out of 2x4 triangles. After they were primed, I painted them different variations of pink. Wait until the end to see how cute they turned out. Project number 2 will be making super cute flower pots out of these $4 cauldrons. I started by priming them and then added some drainage holes. Next, I taped off a portion and added some ballerina pink. Then I added some filler rocks into my cauldrons, grabbed my pink Work Pro gloves, and planted my mums. Will they be dead in a week? Stay tuned. For the third project, I gathered all of my random assortment of pumpkins. Y'all know you have one of these too. Then I spray painted them different variations of pink and purple. The easiest way to do this was to use a kebab stick and some gloves. After they were dry, I used my multi-tool to cut toothpicks in half. The cut half will go into the bottom of the pumpkin, while the pointy half will stick up, so that it's easier to stick into the foam wreath. Once you've got it inserted into the bottom of the pumpkin, use a hot glue gun to glue all around the toothpick. Next, insert them into the wreath in whatever color pattern you want. Since it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, I thought just different variations of pink were perfect. To hang the wreath, I simply used some black ribbon tied into a knot in between the pumpkins. I used a push pin to hold it into place and then used my Work Pro multi-tool to cut off the excess ribbon. It is super handy that my Work Pro Tools hot glue gun is cordless because I did have one pumpkin try to make an escape and need to be reattached. For a little extra spooky fun, I used my 6-in-1 staple gun to attach these bats to the side of the coop wall. Then added these sparkly spiders and then some hanging spiders because, you know, why not? We also attached some string lights around the coop to give it a little bit of extra light. And for my last lighting feature, I used these super cute pumpkins that I painted gold and some ever bright lighting tap lights. Y'all, how cute is this colorful Halloween chicken coop? And all it took was about one day and just some of my favorite Work Pro tools. All these projects were super budget friendly and added just a little extra something our chicken coop needed. Find the complete tutorials to all of our colorful Halloween projects at southernyankeediy.com.